Hello student, Namaste Samajranalai. So today I am going to teach you about embryology of organism. In embryology, especially we are doing about ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. That is examples of ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. This is very important topic in any entrance examination. So without wasting the time, let's move into the topic. So first we will be dealing about ectoderm. So to remember the examples of ectoderm, we have a trick that is, and the trick is 4 EPIC, 4 epic, 4 epic. So 4 EPIC. So now we have in first E. So E means epidermis. We have 4E, that is again E. So E means eye, that is conjunctiva, lens and retina. And in third we have again E. So E means entire nervous system, entire nervous system. And in fourth, 4E, then again E. So enamel of teeth. Now we have in fifth P. So P means pituitary gland, TUITRY, pituitary gland, and pineal gland. And in six we have I. So I means internal ear. And in seven we have C, that is cartilage of visceral arcs. So this all about ectoderm. We had trick 4 epic. Now let's move into the mesoderm. So for the mesoderm we have trick called mescoderm, TERM, mescoderm. So MESCODERM, mescoderm. So in first we have M. So M means muscular system or muscle, and mesenteries, MESCENTRIS, mesenteries. In second we have E. So E means whole excretory system. And then we have in third S. So S means skeletal system. In fourth we have CO. CO means connective tissue, coelomic epithelium and choroid. And in fifth we have DE. So DE means dentine of teeth. And in sixth we have R. So R means reproductive system. And now in seventh we have M, that is myocardium. So this all about mesoderm. So now let's move into the endoderm. So for endoderm we have the trick ready, REATY, ready, thigh girl, ready thigh lady, ready thigh lady for UG, ready thigh lady for UG. So here R, all the capitals are useful, RED thigh LDUG. So in first we have R. So R means respiratory system, respiratory system. In second we have E, so E means eustachian tube, eustachian tube. And then we have D, so D means digestive system. And then we have in 4 we have thigh, so thigh means thyroid gland, thyroid gland, and thymus, thyroid gland and thymus. And then we have in 5th we have L, so L means liver and lungs. And then we have in 6th we have D, so D means digestive gland. And then we have U, so U means urinary bladder. And in 7 we have G, that is gallbladder. And here, so this is the example of endoderm, and all the capitals are used in the trick. R means respiratory system, E means eustachian tube, D means digestive system, Thigh means thyroid gland and thymus, L means liver. And one thing, liver and pancreas comes along, so liver and pancreas also, liver and pancreas both are endoderm. D for digestive gland, U for urinary bladder, and G for gallbladder. And now there is some exception, so I am going to tell you that also. In ectoderm we have E for entire nervous system, so entire nervous system except entire nervous system except meninges and microglia, MENINGIS, meninges and microglia. These two are also lies in nervous system, but these are not ectoderm, these are mesoderm. So this is the exception of ectoderm, E for entire nervous system except meninges and microglia. And in excretory system, in mesoderm we have E for excretory system, whole excretory system, except there is also one exception, whole excretory system except U, that is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is also lies in excretory system, but it is derived from endoderm, not mesoderm. So my dear student, this all about embryology, that is ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. So please take the screenshot, and if you have any query or any doubt, please comment down below. I will definitely solve it. And also please subscribe the channel. This much for today. Take the screenshot. This much for today. Thank you for the class.